Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we have this 2023 Nissan Leaf and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just your regular factory headlight lens. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to prep the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and use a clean microfiber towel to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So now that the panel is ready, we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And just place the film onto the headlight and just make sure we start by aligning the film to this section first. So with this one, we're going to line it right on the edge and we're going to apply Tack Solution to anchor it in that section and make sure we remove all the solution underneath. Make sure it stays anchored and then we'll work our way to this side. So now that the film is secured, now we can move on with the rest of the installation. So we're going to align and stretch the film as we reach it to the other end. Okay, so all we need to do is apply Slip Solution once again, since the adhesive may have gotten dry, since we were working on that end. And just make sure you stretch, and as you stretch, you're aligning the tint to the headlight. So right here, we're going to secure it. So let's apply Tack Solution and start securing this section of the film. You can also lift the film carefully here and apply Tack Solution underneath. That way the adhesive on the film starts tacking down more faster. Okay, so if you let go, the film's not moving anymore since we secured this section. And now that this section's secured, we'll finish off with the last stretch. So keep it aligned and just stretch it up to the top edge here. And we're going to apply Tack Solution to help it tack down. If this part did lift, just secure it once again. You can also apply heat to help the adhesive activate faster. So let's secure this one once more. Apply heat. Apply Tack Solution, that way we're able to tack it down. And then finish it off here. Okay, now that this is secured, we're going to move on and start tacking down the fingers that are on the top section of the film and then the lower section. So all you need to do is apply Tack Solution on each area that has the fingers. Apply heat and just help them shrink. That way we're able to tack them down faster. So you could separate them to make the fingers smaller and more easier to tack down. And once you shrink the fingers, we're going to apply Tack Solution one more time and wrap our microfiber towel around our squeegee and just start securing it to the position. And when you do this, squeegee at an angle, that way you don't accidentally crease the fingers. And you just rinse and repeat this step until you bring down all the fingers. It's pretty simple. So once we finish with the whole installation, the last step is to post heat the entire headlight. So just apply Tack Solution all around the film, and we're going to use our heat gun to start sealing the tint and helping the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel to help it tack down and also remove any solution that may be trapped underneath the tint. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So just make sure, take your time as you're post heating the entire tint. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Nissan Leaf. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.